Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start web development with GitHub, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to GitHub's homepage. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in your details to create a new account. Once registered, log in to your GitHub account. Now, familiarize yourself with the GitHub interface. Look at the top right corner for your profile picture. Click on it to access your profile settings. On your profile, locate the Repositories tab. Click it to view any existing repositories or to create a new one. To start a new project, click on the green New button. Fill in your repository name and description. Choose whether you want it to be public or private. Select Initialize this repository with a README for a simple start. Next, click the Create Repository button. Now, let's set up Git on your local machine. Download and install Git from the official website. Open your terminal or command prompt. Configure Git with your username by typing git config global user.name your name. Then, set your email using git config global user.email your .email at example.com. Navigate to the directory where you want to store your project. Use the command mdir project name to create a new folder. Then, navigate into that folder using cd project name. Initialize a new Git repository by typing Git in it. Create an HTML file by typing touchindex.html. Save and close the editor. Now, return to your terminal. Add the file to the staging area with git add index.html. Commit your changes using git commit m initial commit. Link your local repository to GitHub with the command git remote add origin https://github.com/your username/repository-name.git. Push your changes to GitHub using git push u origin main. Your project is now live on GitHub. To further your learning, explore the GitHub documentation. Look for tutorials related to web development and Git. Consider following other developers and projects for inspiration. Engage with the community by asking questions and sharing your knowledge. Regularly practice coding to build and reinforce your skills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.